Ready to supercharge your Solana trading, but stuck choosing between NovaBot and BloomBot? Let's dive into a head-to-head comparison to see which bot reigns supreme for speed, efficiency, and ultimately, profitability. First, let's talk speed. Both bots boast rapid transaction execution, but NovaBot often edges out BloomBot with its streamlined architecture, leading to faster order placements in our tests. This can be crucial in volatile markets. Next, efficiency. NovaBot offers granular control over slippage tolerance and gas fees, allowing you to fine-tune your trades for optimal performance and reduce slippage issues. This level of customization can significantly impact your returns. BloomBot shines with its user-friendly interface and pre-built trading strategies. The backtesting features let you simulate different strategies on historical data, helping you find the best one before risking capital. Now, the bottom line, profitability. While results vary based on market conditions and strategy, NovaBot's precise controls can often lead to higher profits for experienced traders who know how to utilize them effectively. However, if you are newer to bots, BloomBot is a great starting point. Ultimately, the best bot depends on your trading style and experience. NovaBot offers speed and precision for seasoned users, while BloomBot provides accessibility and automation for newcomers. Do your research, practice thoroughly, and trade smart.